I'm finally within sight of the wall. Can you see it up there? Good morning. Welcome to another high desert adventure here in Arizona. I found a hilltop ruin on Google Earth. Bushwhacking through this is really tough. Tough on the clothes, tough on the legs, tough on the old body. Wow, that is a lot of rocks. All right, let's try to find a way in. So these walls, still standing, are at least 4 feet high, and they're really wide. And as you can see, this place goes that way, and this way, and then this wall right here, you know, rooms, a couple rooms, and we'll look at that in a second. But this is the 2 rooms, but they're higher, they're up higher, and then there is a secondary wall that runs all the way around, and the whole thing is rocks. I'm gonna put my drone up, see if we can get an aerial shot of this. Just outside of this Hilltop Fort was right here a nice square of rocks. So this is definitely a dwelling of some sort. Ever since the village that I found a couple weeks ago and put in a video, I've started looking around the outside of these hilltop ruins to see if I can find any other dwellings or buildings. I just found one over there, and there's another very large stack of rocks over here. It starts over here and it goes across, and there's a corner underneath this bush, and it goes that way, and there's a part of a corner. It's almost like half of the building is gone. Maybe we can see it from the drone footage. I hope so. I think now is a good time to talk about how important it is to keep ruins like this as you find them. Please remember they're extremely fragile, so do not displace any rocks or take anything. And most of all, leave no trace behind. Remember, if you can pack it in, you can pack it out. And if you do find any trash on your way, please take it with you.
We were very fortunate that the drone footage showed us a clear view of the layout of this hilltop ruin. As you can see right here in orange, the outline of the main ruin and the two rooms in the northeast corner. Next you'll see highlighting the square room on the northeast side and also the partial building on the southwest side.
Okay, that was a really great adventure. I've got about a mile and a half walk back to the Bronco, and it's starting to get a little bit late, so I'm gonna head out of here, and then if I see something I will stop and show it to you. But if not, catch you next week with another video. Bye. Looks like some very, very fresh mule deer tracks in the snow.